Hootie and the Blowfish guy a lot better on this song. Hootie and the Blowfish, the only black country singer, like pretty much the what?
I've never heard this song before.
Sure you have. This is on one of Mark's tapes he sent us.
Oh, it is?
Much better version of it.
It says it's JH. My favorite time of the day. Only happens twice a day.
Yeah.
Alright, good morning everybody. Welcome to the Jackson Hole Aerial Tram. My name's Riley and I'm going to be your operator today. You guys look down the hill over here, you can see the base of our bridge gondola and Teton chairlift. Everybody's lift tickets, wristbands work on those lifts as well. In a couple seconds we're going to be going over Tower 1, guys, and you're going to feel a little swing in the car. Tower 2, Tower 5, we've got some way bigger swings in the car, and I'll give you guys heads up on those. You guys let me know if you see any moose there. We just saw a moose on my last trip up over on this side, so keep your eyes peeled. I can slow this tram down and get everybody a good look. So I'm going to throw on a brief informational CD for you guys. Feel free to ask me any questions you might have about the area, about the resort, about the tram afterwards.
It's a lot prettier in the winter.
It's so fast. Until you get to the other side.
Jackson Hole Mountain Resort, operating in partnership with the United States Forest Service. This aerial tram, which opened to the public in December of 2008, offers the greatest continual vertical rise of any ski area in the United States, as well as a unique view of one of America's finest recreational areas. During the next few minutes, we will rise 4,139 vertical feet and travel nearly 2.5 miles to the summit of Rendezvous Mountain. Starting at the valley elevation of 6,311 feet, we travel above forests of aspen, Douglas fir, lodgepole, and white bark pine, and a variety of colorful seasonal wildflowers. Along the way, moose, mule deer, black bear, and many smaller animals are often seen. This aerial tram was designed by Maurice André, an engineer for Garaventa out of Switzerland, and employs machinery from Austria, Switzerland, the Czech Republic, and the United States. Technically, this system is called a double reversible, or jig-back tram, as the cabins always move simultaneously, but in opposite directions. The system is powered by twin 1,000 horsepower electric motors and utilizes over 15 miles of steel cable, 5 structural steel towers, more than 200 wheels of various sizes, 3 independent braking systems, and computerized electronics and weather instrumentation. As one of the safest modes of mountain transportation, the Jackson Hole Aerial Tram can deliver up to 600 passengers per hour to the summit of Rendezvous Mountain to enjoy winter and summer recreational activities, both in Grand Teton National Park and Bridger Teton National Forest. Characterized by glacial cirques carved through dolomite cliff bands, the natural ruggedness of Rendezvous Mountain is tamed each winter by an average snowfall of over 400 inches. The result is nearly 3,000 acres of unparalleled skiing. The aerial tram, together with the Bridger gondola and a variety of other lifts, offers more expert, intermediate, and beginner terrain than most ski areas in the United States. With the exception of a few cliff areas, all the terrain you see below is open Thanksgiving weekend through mid-April. When our tram car reaches the summit elevation of 10,450 feet, the forest will have given way to talus slopes and alpine tundra. There are over 200 species of plants native to this mountain habitat. Many species of birds, including golden eagles, hawks, prairie falcons, swallows, white-crowned sparrows, and black rosy finches, visit the mountaintop. Seldom visited by larger animals, ground squirrels, marmots, pikas, pine martens, and red fox make their homes in the rocky terrain of this alpine tundra. If you would like to know more about the aerial tram or other resort activities, please visit with a tram operator on the top or bottom dock. You are invited to stay as long as you like and take any car down that fits into your schedule.
Yeah, see, that starts to get tricky.
On behalf of Jackson Hole Mountain Resort, Thank you for riding
ski
Tram.
slopes?
Yeah,
We invite you to
This whole
visit us
thing
on
is
the
ski
web
slope. Anything
at
green that you can see is ski
jacksonhole.com
slopes.
to plan your fantastic
Alright guys, out these windows over here on my side, we're going to be passing car number 2 very shortly. This is going to be our halfway point. It looks like these guys are going way faster than us, but they're actually going the same exact speed, and these guys are fixed to the same cable as us. Thank you.
So that's what they call a jig back. They're both going at the same time.
Oh, okay. On the same cable.
Yep. They were explaining that. So gorgeous.
Coming up right here is Tower 2, guys. This is the big swing.
Ooh, my ears feel it.
Yep.
You too?
Oh, yeah. That's different. So cool.
You're so cute.
That's 6 minutes of video so far.
Hi, I want you to like climb up on this ladder and push the other people up on like frozen pieces. And I was like, okay. And then I was like, I can't do that. I'm afraid of it. It's weird. I'm afraid of you. I see a house.
Over there. It's funny that this doesn't bother me at all. It's
You guys look out on our left, you can see a couple of horses that somebody left the gate open last night. We got 9 horses roaming around the village right now. You see any other ones besides that, let anybody know that's working here. We're trying to locate all of them.
See the horse?
You'll see him, I think, when we go farther.
And over here on my side, guys, we get a pretty awesome view of the Teton. The grand elevation over there is 13,770 feet.
Oh, yeah.
There are the horses, look. Down there. Oh, you just probably missed them.
Keep missing.
So high up, that's why.
Stay all year long.
Quite this year. Yeah, and a lot of the stuff that doesn't see the sun throughout the day. It was at record snowfall this year. Alright guys, and out here on our left-hand side, we're going to be passing Corbett's Couloir very soon. This is definitely our most popular ski run in Jackson Hole, probably one of the more famous runs in the entire world.
There?
Yep, straight down this right-hand side right here.
That's more advanced.
Oh yeah.
Right here?
Yeah.
That's insane. So straight off the top right there.
They just come right down in.
Yep.
Wow.
Try not to hit the rock walls.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, the Austrians would love that.
Alright guys, tower number 5. Pretty good swing here as well.
There's one in Austria. I can't remember the name of it. That's I think that. Yeah. like that,
Yeah.
even more scary.
There's
Basically a straight, almost a 90-degree split like that. Yeah.
Yeah, we've got some pretty more intense ones than that, but that's definitely our most famous one right there. That's the reason we put the Tram here, basically.
A lot of the channels were above or more like intermediate. They didn't look too scary.
Yeah, right off here on the side is definitely where a lot of our experts ski.
Yeah, experts, yeah.
All the stuff that you can see right there. More of the intermediate stuff was kind of what
Sort
you're
of
seeing
with
from that side of the
down
mountain.
below.
over.
Yeah. Yeah, this stuff here, that's getting pretty much expert where you're coming like off a cliff straight down.
Alright guys, we'll be leaving every 15 minutes from the top. Last tram down is at 5:30. Any thrill seekers on the car want to maybe take the fun way down, do a little paragliding? We got some pilots here in the middle. Feel free to ask these guys about that. Highly recommend going into Corbin's cabin over here on the left, grabbing some waffles. They are delicious. If you guys have any questions while you're up here, my friend Josh will be hanging out around the top to talk. He's right in front of the car.
Oh,